Good morning, and thank you everyone for coming to the 2020 Intern Luncheon. And I think we had some fantastic goals that we were able to reach. I also can't help but thank the number of sponsors that we have. Without those kind of donations, this program couldn't go.
So during our 9 weeks, we did a few different projects. We planted around 70 trees throughout our preserve. So we had a lot of trail maintenance this summer that we had to do. There were also stars on our social media this summer. You guys might have seen them. Lastly, we have our education days. We went to Chilwaukee Prairie, Illinois State Beach, and Daniel Wright Woods, and then the Botanic Gardens.
This internship program, which is in its 23rd year, is such an integral part of the health of our preserves here. We're having a lot more time to go out and collect a lot of the native seeds that normally we never had time to do in the past. Being able to do that is just essential part of getting our diversity ramped up in these preserves.
This is perhaps the most impactful program Lake Forest Openlands does. You probably and hopefully all have a spiritual connection to the land, and that's something very special you'll take with you the rest of your life. And that's what we're trying to understand in the land trust communities. How can we all re-engage that spiritual connection to the land?
We've worked the entire summer on these projects, so we're really excited for you guys to see them all. Mine is on the indigenous peoples of Lake County. I feel like we forget a lot of the history of the people that came before us.
I'm Jake Daniker. I wanted to focus my research for the summer on more of the policy, regulations, law side of environmental protection and safety.
Hey everyone, I'm Brennan. I'm from Geneva, Illinois. So my first goal was to be able to identify at least 10 invasive plant species and their corresponding methods of control.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny. And my goal for the summer was to identify 30 invasive plant species and put them all in a binder.
Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee. My goal for this summer was to learn 35 different tree species. I chose to present my topic in a fun way. I made a whole video on each tree.
I'm Leonard. My goal for this internship was to research 30 different pests and diseases of trees that are present in Illinois.
I'm Amir. My goal was to find 10 unique insects and learn about them and report back to you guys.
My name is Jonathan Rogan, and today I'm going to be giving you a presentation about reimagining the harvest.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. My goal for the summer was to try and learn about medicinals of the Lake Forest Openlands Preserve.